everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY PACIFIC UPDATE YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin B-LBG. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY PACIFIC Airbus A330, two of them actually. One of them actually returned from Hong Kong, Xiamen, and then one of them flew to Xiamen from Beijing, sorry. She flew from Beijing. So we'll be talking about this first, the aircraft suggestions, Bravo Lima Bravo Golf, she took our flight over 63820, with a great circle distance of 100 miles 6 kilometers, actual flight of 1 hour and 6 minutes, and a track 112 degrees as you can see it here. Excuse me. So this aircraft took off at runway 05 at Xiamen International Airport. And then she landed at runway 25 left at 5:41 a.m. Actually, she departed Channel runway 05 at 4:36 in the morning, and she's actually staying there for maintenance. Well, I hope she doesn't stay long. So let's proceed to the aircraft, which is actually Bravo Lima Bravo Golf is actually previously operated by CATHAY Travel. So this aircraft is another Airbus A330, which is special because me and Austin have been on this bird. So the aircraft suggestion is Bravo Lima Alpha Quebec. She took her flight number 63823 with a great circle distance of 187 kilometers and an actual flight duration of 2 hours and 53 minutes. Calibrate the altitude of 1,400 feet, altitude of 161 knots, and a chart of 354 degrees as you can see here. And this aircraft took off at Beijing capital at exactly 1:11 in the morning, and then she landed at the Hong Kong International Airport at runway 7 right at exactly 4:04 a.m. local time. This aircraft is special because me and Austin on this bird, because I've been this bird into Singapore as 16 point way, and Austin has been on this bird, which was specially painted back in July 2018 as CX777 to Jakarta. She actually has a photo when Austin is inside the plane in Jakarta when she was landing on the runway. So for the details of Bravo Lima Alpha Quebec or Bravo Lima Bravo Golf, kindly check the previous video about this Airbus A330. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Or by me, Roberto, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.